Fighter jets. F-16 Fighting Falcon, role, multi-role fighter, in service, 4. Northrop F-5, role, attack aircraft, in service, 12. Helicopters. Bell 205, role, utility helicopter, in service, 36. Bell 412, role, utility helicopter, in service, 3. Alouette 2, role, light helicopter, in service, 8. Alouette 3, role, light helicopter, in service, 8. Bell OH-58 Kiowa, role, reconnaissance, in service, 7. Eurocopter, AS-350, role, utility helicopter, in service, 6. UH-60 Black Hawk, role, utility helicopter, in service, 4. Sikorsky, HH-3, role, search and rescue, in service, 16. Trainer jets. L-39 Albatros, role, trainer jet, in service, 12. Machi, MB-326, role, trainer jet, in service, 10. Marchetti, SF-260, role, trainer jet, in service, 17. T-6 Texan II, role, trainer jet, in service, 12. Unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV. Camcopter S-100, role, UAV, in service, 4. MQ-1B Predator, role, reconnaissance, in service, 2. On orders. F-16V, Viper, role, multi-role combat aircraft, on order, 12. Sikorsky UH-60, role, attack helicopter, on order, 12. Bell OH-58 Kiowa, role, reconnaissance, on order, 17. T-6 Texan II, role, trainer jet, on order, 4. Ty-Enka, role, UAV, on order, 6. Thanks for watching, subscribe my channel, share this video, like this video and comment.